show in this video after they finished pour concrete for slab and concrete for ramp down, and installed the steel bollards 6 inches and 12 inches here. They installed the steel structure for the small building and the big building, and then they did metal stud framing, and they did the dingy glass all the way around. You can see dingy glass. After the dingy glass, they started to caulk the seam, and you can see caulk the seam and the screws. You can see the dingy glass is set as an offset, half and half. After that, you can see they started to install the metal, the hot channel, 1 inch hot channel all the way. So they will be ready for exterior metal siding, metal panel. Okay, so you can see here that the hot channel. You can see everything will be metal wall panels. This building is the library building for the university here. Okay, they installed the metal stud framing. They finished installing the metal stud framing inside with the blocking, sheetrock, mud and tape. Here at the back, they installed the fire sprinkler system. You can see roofing, TPO is done for the upper roof, lower roof. Started duct work. You can see duct work. Okay, everything is good to go for exterior siding, metal wall panels, pre-engineered building. They did the flashing above the window opening. You can see the yellow, the blue color, blue flashing tape. Okay, here you can see they did a downproofing for one side of concrete returning wall for the ramp. Here you can see the trench drain. Steel structure here. Exterior electrical work also done. Everything is ready. Metal wall panels. You can see duct work over there. Okay guys, I will upload more videos about this project. If you are interested, please like, subscribe. Here you can see the 2 inches residential insulation. You can see here pink. Over there is like light green. Same thing over there on the other side. You can see light green, 2 inches residential insulation against the between the building and the side wall. That's pure structural block. Okay. You can see over there. That is our 2 inches residential insulation. Okay guys, if you like this video, please like, subscribe. We'll upload more videos. Thank you guys, bye.